Hi everyone, I'm Connie Roberts. We're here at Kinsley Shoprite, located in Brodheadsville. It's the largest Shoprite in the world, and joining me is legendary Kevin Kern, and it's the time of year for crock pot cooking.
Well, it is. It's March, and a lot of folks like to use their crock pot to make the corned beef and cabbage. It's a great way to make this dish, as opposed to on top of the stove if you have the time. But for convenience, you stop in, you get yourself some corned beef. You put that in the bottom with the root vegetables that we have here. We're going to show you, like your potatoes and carrots. You put that in first, put it on medium maybe, and you go about your business. About a half an hour before you're ready to eat, you count backwards, you put your cabbage in there. It's one meal in one big crock pot. It's very convenient, and we have these crock pots available all month on sale with your Price Plus card.
So some of the other items that you can do with crock pot cooking is beef.
Right, so let's say for instance you're celebrating St. Patty's Day with your Irish soda bread that we have available here. Maybe some people don't like corned beef. I know that some people don't, all right, and it's okay. So what we do is we have another option, the chuck roast. When you cook it low and slow, it's flavorful, it's tender, and it lends itself to the secret ingredient, like maybe an onion soup packet or barbecue sauce or Southwestern seasoning or just simple salt and pepper. You know, but the same technique. You put your beef in, you let it go with the root vegetables. You know, this on this chuck roast, you just put it all together at once, and that's it. At 5 o'clock, you ring the bell. Hey kids, let's go. Come on in. It's time to eat. So that's very convenient. So the crock pots, they work great, especially in March.
Kev, I see you have a lot of decorations for the holiday season.
We do. All right, when St. Patrick's Day rolls around, people find that everybody's Irish. So we have Irish hats. We have some shirts. We have all kinds of merchandise available. We have these calla lilies. They're only $12.99 because when spring comes, you want to have some flowers. Maybe you want to start them in the house and then you move them out. We also have these box flowers. These things make a great gift. You know, it's almost like a carry case. You drop it off. So not only that, but there's a whole lot of other wonderful things in the floral department that you can take advantage of. There's bulbs and different things like that.
It's Lenten season, Kev. So what do you have going on here?
Okay, every Friday, from 11 to 5, we have fish on Fridays, fish fry on Fridays. So it's in Doris's Cafe, all right? It'll run until April 7th, and we'll have everyone's favorite, which is a Parmesan encrusted cod. We'll have the braided teriyaki salmon. We'll have the breaded flounder fillet with rice, roasted vegetables, and a potato du jour on our hot bar with your Price Plus card for only $9.99.
So Kev, I hear there's a promotion going on.
There is a holiday ham promotion. Up to and including April 8th, you use your Price Plus card and you accumulate $400 worth of purchases and you qualify for your holiday ham.
All right, let's dig in.
All right, yeah, let's see. So let's just pull this whole thing out and show people how soft and tender it is when you're using the crock pot. Obviously, you can tell that the veggies are soft, right? You can see how soft they are.
Nice.
So that's great. So you just cut against the grain like this, and then you'll see how it all
Oh, that looks beautiful.
get some platters and stuff like that. You want to try that little piece, Connie?
Ah, why not?
There you go. Nice.
Oh my God, that was so good.
Is it soft, tender?
Yeah, it makes me want to go home and do that.
How about we check out this roast beef? You know, and you see how it's almost falling apart there?
Oh my, yeah.
So that's good. That's wonderful.
Wow.
But you see how it's soft? You can just basically push that apart.
Wow.
You know?
Yeah.
So that's what you're looking for when you're using a crock pot.
All right, Kev, if people want more information, what should we tell
Well, they
them?
can stop out here at Doris's Cafe and enjoy the fish fry. All right, you can stop in here at the catering desk and you can order just about anything you want in the store from the catering desk. If you have any other questions, you can call at 570-402-2740.